Hey, what's up? This is Kenny Trong, chef and owner of the Rice House. Day one of food truck adventures. This is our journey. This is what it is. It used to be a Snapcom truck. So let's check it out. Day one. Look at this, guys. So we have commissioned the food truck factory here in Alton, Illinois to build this for us. And let's check it out. This is what it is, man. There's a battery, a hole. So check out the inside. Oh man, we talking about Pimp My Ride. This is Pimp My Food Truck, day one. So we don't expect it to be pretty because we don't need it to be, because it's going to be pretty. Check this out, guys. Inside. Not food truck today, but will be in the coming weeks.